The definition of revenue management. Revenue management is a group of tools whereby we tend to provide our product, right product, to a right customer, desiring customer, at the right price, at the right time, through a right channel. So let us break down this definition into different parts. First is right product. So we hotel may have different products. Hotel may have a deluxe room, superior room, pool view room, river view room, mountain view room. There are different rooms that are available in the hotel. Some are lower floor, higher floor, near to the lift, near to the lobby, far away from the lobby. We have different products, so we need to sell this product to a right customer who is willing to pay for that. That means we need to match the customer's demand together with the hotel's demand. The customer may want to stay near the lobby or near the hotel because they are older or they want a quick access. So if you are assigning them a hotel room which is or selling a hotel room which is far away from the lobby or far away from the guest, he may not like it. The customer may want to pay a premium if given a chance to stay near the property, or the customer may want to pay a higher price for a room which is have a pool view compared to the room which does not have a pool view. So there are different value propositions. Some guests does not care where they want to stay. They can stay in mountain view, they can stay in city view, they can stay in pool view. Doesn't matter, right? For them, you cannot charge a premium. So we are trying to match the customer's demand, what they need from us, and the services that we offer to them. So if we understand the customer value, so we need to understand the customer value first, and then we offer them our products and services. At the right price means the willingness to pay from the customer point of view, and it should be profitable to us as well. If the customer is willing to pay only $50 and we have another customer who want to pay $100, then we will not sell to the first customer. We will sell to the another customer. It doesn't mean the value perception from the guest does not mean that we need to accept it as per revenue management. It needs to be profitable for us as well, and it will be profitable for us if we have other customers who are willing to pay more price, then we will accept them. If we have other customers who are willing to pay the lower price, then we will accept the price which is the highest. So we need to manage the price between the two, the hotel need and also the customer's willingness to pay at the right time. So that, because buyers make decisions differently, right? Each customer make a different buying decision differently. Somebody want to book 2 months ahead of time, 3 months ahead of time. Somebody want to make a booking just in the last minute, maybe just 1 week ahead. So they are also willing to pay different prices based on the time scale. So we want to offer our rooms to the customer who want to pay the highest, and we want to approach them at the right time whenever they want to make a decision. So we need to understand when the customer is going to make a decision for buying the room, and we approach them at that particular time together with the right price. If the customer is willing to pay only last minute, if you are targeting them 2 months ahead, 3 months ahead of the time, they will not make any decision. So even though you want to give them a discount, you want to give them a promotional price, doesn't matter to them, right? Because they don't want to make a decision at that particular point. And through the right distribution channel. So somebody may want to book directly with the hotel. Somebody may want to book through a travel agent. Somebody may want to book through a company. So every customer has different preferences, because maybe they are loyal program. They have a loyalty program with some other customers. They may want to book with a travel agent because they are booking at another itinerary, or they are booking other experiences together with the hotel stay. So we need to cater all the different channels to try to attract our customer profile or our customer segment that we want to achieve, we want to target. So revenue management is mixing of all, in summary: right product, right customer, right price, at the right time, and through the right distribution channels. Okay, in simple terms, revenue management is about managing the price of the hotel, managing the quantity of the hotel, managing the competition of the hotel, because there is a competition. There are other hotels around the city, not only the hotel which competitors which are directly in competition with the hotel, but also the competitors which are not directly into the hotel business. There may be service apartments, there may be condominiums, there may be Airbnb hosts, which are also in some way, some one way or the other way, are a competitor for the hotel. Especially when we are talking about the business where business levels which are not very high levels. If we are full 100%, then we don't really care about the other customers. But if there is a less demand than the rooms, demand is lower than the supply in the city, then we need to care about getting the maximum exposure that we can get through our revenue management processes. And also we need to manage the demand. We also need to manage the segmentation. What type of customers we want to get. Not every customer will pay you the highest price. We sometimes revenue managers make a mistake by looking at only the room revenue or the room rate that the customer is paying. What they forget about is that particular customer, if the hotel is providing F&B services, spa services, other guest services which the guest may want to spend. So what we want to look at is where our hotel's overall revenue is maximized. Not only the room rate, not only the room revenue, but the overall revenue. Some guests are expensive to manage, some guests are not very expensive to manage. So we need to look at the profitability of each guest as well, each customer segment, each customer type, so that we want to attract maximum to those who are getting us a maximum profit and less of those who are not getting us the most of the profit. So the hotel revenue manager's job is to maximize the hotel's profit in accounting profit, also the customer's profit, by managing the right customer segment at the right demand, quantity, and also the supply of the hotel rooms. The revenue management provides